Hi ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. My name is Renzo Montaiuti here with eXp Realty. I'm a realtor here in Central Florida, and in this channel I'm going all over Central Florida looking at new construction communities, looking at new construction homes, also resale homes and investment properties. But today we have a beautiful new construction home here in Leesburg, Florida. So if you're interested in a new construction home here in Central Florida, stay tuned till the end of the video. Let's go. So in today's video, we are here at a beautiful new construction home just to give you some amazing details of this home. This is a 3-bed, 2-bath, 1,700 square feet with a garage for 2 different cars. For anybody who's not super familiar with Leesburg, Florida, what is Leesburg? Where is Leesburg? What's there to do? Just to give you a point of reference, we're about 1 hour away from Tampa, Florida. We're about 40 minutes from downtown Orlando. We're about 50 minutes from the closest airport, which is gonna be the Orlando International Airport. So it's only a 15-minute drive. And then nearby, we're about 10 minutes away, we have a bunch of different parks and lakes. So if you want to have a lake day, you can park your boat out there and just have a great time. Also, we're about 5 minutes from the closest high school, which is Leesburg High School, and we're about 3 minutes away from Publix, Walmart, and a bunch of different restaurants. So something that I personally love about this specific new construction community is they are sticking to the roots of what a new construction home should be. Nowadays, most communities are building a home without any questions to the buyer on how you want to build the home. In this community, they're sticking to the roots and they start construction. You actually go to a design studio and pick out your flooring, your countertops, exactly what kind of color you want the house, what kind of design. So you actually get to pick those things out. And this is very rare for a lot of the builders in today's market. So this is something that is fantastic and that I personally love about them. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna get started on this tour. Before we get started, I wanna invite you to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my future content. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, let's get going and take a look at this home. So here we are, ladies and gentlemen, stepping inside of this beautiful home. First thing we're gonna notice is the first 2 bedrooms of this home are gonna be on the front side of the home. So here we're gonna have the first bedroom, the bathroom, and right behind you, we're gonna step into that second bedroom. So here we are in the first bedroom. First thing I notice is you're gonna have a beautiful big window that's gonna give you a bunch of natural light in this room. As of right now, these homes are with carpet, but you can upgrade it to have some tile. Here you're gonna have the double door closet. And yeah, so stepping into the bathroom that's probably going to be shared between these 2 bedrooms, you're going to have the Formica countertop, you're going to have a double vanity, and you're going to have some beautiful wood cabinets that are going to go here in the bathrooms and in the kitchen. Here you're going to have your toilet, and over here you have your bathtub with a shower head. Now, stepping into the second bedroom, it's going to be very similar to the first bedroom. Similar size, I believe these are about 9 by 10 feet. You're gonna have the double door closet. You're gonna have an even bigger window in this room, so that's fantastic. Now, let's step into the east side of the home, and we're gonna find the entrance into the garage on the right hand side here. Here we're gonna have another closet space. And over here, we're gonna have a little study area. We're gonna have a work area. So I know a lot of us are working virtually. So if you are someone who's working virtually or working from home, no worries, we got you covered. We have a nice little space here, especially for you. Now, stepping into the laundry room, these are General Electric's washer and dryer. This is all gonna come with the home, so you don't have to buy a washer, dryer, fridge, stove, microwave, nothing. It's all gonna come with the home, and it's all with General Electrics. Something I love about this laundry room is you're gonna have 4 cabinets right above it. So you're gonna have a bunch of extra storage space, which is typically a problem with some people in certain new construction homes. So you're gonna have a bunch of storage, which is something fantastic. Now, stepping into this beautiful open floor plan, this just feels right at home once you step in here. On this side, you're gonna have a beautiful living space. You're gonna have the 2 couches, the way they arrange it here, the 2 couches, you're gonna have the TV right behind you, and you just got ample space to work with here. You can rearrange it in any way you want. And what I love is obviously this kitchen. It's something from heaven. Here you got the quartz countertop, you have the double sink. Over here, you're gonna have the pantry with ample of space for all the food you wanna store. You got your refrigerator, your stove, and plenty of cabinets all around the house. Here you're gonna have your dishwasher, and over here you're gonna have your General Electric's fridge, and beautiful. So this kitchen speaks for itself. This open floor plan speaks for itself, and it's something truly special because with 1,700 square feet, you know, this feels really like a 2,000, 2,200 square foot home with how big this living room feels. So over here, we're gonna have the dining room. You're gonna have a pretty nice long table. This is a good sized table that's gonna fit 6 people. You could probably fit 8 or 9 if you squeezed in, you know, these side seats. But, you know, this is where you wanna come home at the end of the day, eat a beautiful dinner, and just really end the day off right with your friends, your family, and yeah. So let's go ahead and step in the back right side of the home, and here we're stepping into the master bedroom. So this master bedroom is fairly large. This is a king size bed, just to give you reference on how large this room is. So, you know, you can have your table cabinets on the side. You can put your TV right here and rearrange it in whatever way you want. So this is a master. Now stepping into the master bathroom, you're gonna have the double vanity. You're gonna have the quartz countertop. In the other bathroom you had Formica, but in the master you're gonna have here the quartz countertop, same type of cabinets. And here you have a walk-in shower. Gonna give you a reference. I'm not taking a shower, but just to give you a reference, I'm 5'10", 180 pounds, and this is me in the walk-in shower. So now behind us, we're gonna have, first, this is gonna be a linen closet. This is gonna be a private toilet, so you don't have anybody in your business when you're doing your business. And here we have the beautiful closet. This is plenty of space for 2 people, unless you like to collect a bunch of shoes, but this is plenty of space for him. This is plenty of space for her. Probably more space for her than him. So you guys rearrange it however you'd like, but this is the beautiful master bathroom. Okay, so now we're gonna go and take a look at the covered lanai that's right outside and see how much space we have outside to relax. So this is a covered lanai. You know, they painted the concrete here. This is an upgrade that you can get with the home. What I recommend is do it after closing. So after closing, you could call someone and then they'll do it 50%, you know, cheaper than what the builder would do it for. But anyways, you have a great space here. You can put a TV, you can have your grill out here. You can really have a great time and create a really cool experience out here for you guys. So stepping outside, giving you a few details on the lot. These lots are about 0.14 acres on average. Of course, they're gonna have some corner lots that are a 1/4 acre, but this specific lot and the average lot is 0.14. For anyone who is wondering, yes, you can build a pool, and they make these lots specific and the floor plan specific so you can build a pool in the back, because we live in Florida, that's important. So that's the tour, guys. Now let's step back inside and look over all the numbers so you can have. So ladies and gentlemen, that is the grand tour of this beautiful new construction home. I hope you guys enjoyed it just as much as I did, looking at all the different options we have here in Central Florida and, you know, in this community. This was a really special floor plan in my opinion, and I love the upgrades they did with this home. So just to give you all the numbers, first things first, the price. This house is only $325,000 here in Leesburg, Florida. And that's going to come with two different incentives. So the first incentive is if you close on the home before December 31st, so before 2023, they're going to give you a blocked rate of 4.85 interest rate. So if you work with the community lender, they're going to give you a 4.85 blocked rate for the entire 30-year loan. So that's something phenomenal that they're doing here. Second thing they're going to do is give you about 3% of the base price of the home in closing costs. So if you have a $400,000 home, you're going to be looking at a $12,000 help in closing cost from the preferred lender. Second thing the next topic is you're going to get the HOA, which is around $70 a month. Now that comes with community maintenance on the area, on all the grass and the areas here in the community. You're gonna have a playground that you can take your kids, you can take your family and just relax, have a good time, and really have some fun. The last thing is you're gonna have your taxes that are going to be around 1.1 to 1.2% of the price of the home. So 1.1 to 1.2% of the price of the home. That's what you're looking at more or less in taxes for the year. So that's everything, my friends. If you have any questions, I have my number right here in the bottom hand corner. So feel free to reach out and I'd love to see how I can help. Anyways, guys, have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you at the next video. Ciao, ciao.